Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 24th July 2021 and we have been doing articles, right? So we are going to discuss the articles a and the, which we have already discussed, but we are going to repeat it once again. So the learning outcome of today's class is students will be able to identify articles and use them correctly in sentences. So already you have identified, but you will know how to use them correctly while framing the sentences. So as you know, articles are words used to modify a noun. And there are three articles, a, an and the, right? Which we have already discussed. Then these are few of the examples of articles a and the. With a, you can see there a pencil, an orange, the earth. So pencil, orange, earth, these are all nouns, and we are modifying the nouns by adding the articles a and the, which is becoming a pencil, an orange, the earth. After that, we have discussed that articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. So which are indefinite articles? A or an are the indefinite articles. That means it points out to the general things. General things means the common things. While the definite is the article the, and it points out to the particular or the specific things. First, we are going to discuss the indefinite articles. We are going to repeat it. This is the repetition of our previous class. So, indefinite articles are a or an. So, we use a or an when we talk about any person, animal, place or thing. That means when we talk about any noun, right? So, we are going to use a or an. Now you can see here a is used before words that begins with consonant sound, which I have already told you how the consonant sounds produced and which are the consonant sounds. So here you can see the examples. A balloon, B is a consonant and even the sound produced is B. So a balloon. So we are going to use the article a. And then next picture is the monkey. So we are going to use the article a because M itself is a consonant and also the sound produced is the consonant sound. Therefore, we are going to use the article a. Then N is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. So if you look at the first picture, it's O-W-L, owl, right? And it starts with a vowel sound as well as the vowel word O. So therefore, we are going to use an owl, okay? An umbrella, U is the vowel and the sound produced is also vowel, an umbrella. But there is also a little bit of different things from the uses of a and an. So what is it? We use a or an depending on the sound and not the spelling, which I have repeatedly told you that the sound is important in a word, not the spelling. An honest boy. Here H is a consonant, but the H is silent. Yes, when we pronounce the word honest, we don't pronounce it as honest. We pronounce it as honest with the O. And H is silent here. And the word starts with a vowel sound, right? Though it is a consonant, the beginning word letter is consonant. But when we pronounce it, it starts with a vowel sound, honest, right? Therefore, we are going to use the article an honest boy. So the spelling, we are not looking at the spelling but the sound of the word. Next is a European tourist. Here E is a vowel but the word is like the sound of the consonant Y. But here it's the totally the vice versa. European. European, though the letter is E, but while we are pronouncing it, it's European, right? So though it is letter E is a vowel, but the sound produces consonant, therefore we are going to use A. In this way, we are going to use the A and. Then we come to the definite article. Which is the definite article? Da. We use the article da to talk about a particular person, animal, place or thing. That means particular when we point out to a particular place, not to the all but to a specific one. For example, I bought the green pen. Now there are so many pens in this world, right? But here we are pointing to the green pen. This is a particular pen, right? We are pointing to a particular pen. What is the color of the pen? It's a green pen, right? Therefore, we are using the word da. The article da has been used here. I bought the green pen. Then the next one is the earth goes round the sun. So the earth, there is only one earth and we are pointing to that earth, right? Then also we have one more da here. Just a minute. Yes. We have one more da here, the sun. Okay. The earth, the sun. There is only one sun, one earth. So the earth goes round the sun. That is why we are using the article da in these sentences. I hope you are clear with these things. Then there is one more thing. So we have already learned about the sound, right? Now here it is written A and N are always used with singular nouns. Singular nouns means when it is only one. We do not use A or N before plural nouns or things we cannot count. Water. A water, we cannot say a water and water, right? Because water is uncountable. Water, we cannot count it, right? So we cannot write a water. But we can write a bottle of water because we can count it. Because that bottle has, is it a 200 milliliter bottle or 1 liter bottle or 2 liters bottle? Okay, so therefore the bottle can be counted. So a bottle of water. Then the article da can be used with singular or plural nouns. Remember, article A or N are always used with singular nouns, while the article da, it can be used with both the singular and the plurals. The book, the books. Okay, so this is what the two things you have to remember. One is the sound, when we are going to use it by pronouncing the words and listening to the sound of the word and not the spelling. Second thing is the singular nouns and the plural nouns. A and N are always used with singular nouns, and the article da is used with both the singular and the plural nouns. So we are completed here. So there is a homework on from page number 30. So fill in the blanks with A, N or da and complete the passage. So there is a passage, a small passage is there on page number 30. So try to attempt this passage with the correct articles. So this is your homework. I hope you are going to do it and submit it to me on the Google, submit it to me in the Google Classroom. So this is it for today. Go through it once more. Thank you.